If you have Jamaicans in your life, you probably should watch this.
I'm convinced that being Jamaican is peak entertainment. Because why did I just get off the phone with my mom? And she was talking about how she was catching up with one of my younger cousins. And this lady proceeds to say, every time you see her, she look like difficulty and hardship. Just cause she there with little man and the man not treat her right, man. You know, right, as a woman, you have to maintain yourself, man. You have to maintain yourself. And so I was like, Mommy, did you say that to her? Because I know her, right? Like, I know she's good for it. And she's like, of course, you have to know, man. Obviously, our little dry-head friend, them not tell her. They not tell her, oh, she looks so tired. She look like dry-up curtain. And then, when me, oh, God, she smell like dishwashing liquid. Me say, Mommy. Oh. Mommy. You can't talk to people like that. You cannot talk to people like that. No, man, somebody have to tell her. Maybe she don't know. If somebody ever looked me dead in my face as I'm going through a difficult time and told me I looked like difficulties and hardships, I'm tapping out, bro. Like, I'm tapping out. Jamaican people are so they're so rude, and they'll be so genuine about it. Like, they'll be so genuine about it. It's wow.
In our defense, not all Jamaicans are rude.
I'm gonna have to call her. I need to check up on her, because that's not nice. That's not nice at all. Difficulties and hardship, and she looked like dry up curtain and smell like dishwashing liquid.
First of all, I watch this too much, and this had me laughing too much. Secondly, I have to commend this lady on how that switch of accent, tip top, 100. I've never seen anybody switch accents that good. At first, I thought you were American, or, well, let's say North American, but switching the accents like that.
Oh, wow.
No, as for the mother, yes, Jamaicans use a lot of sayings, but I have never, ever heard these sayings ever.
It's to say, every time you see her, she look like difficulty and hardship. Just cause she there with little man and the man not treat her right, man. You know, right, as a woman, you have to maintain yourself, man. You have to maintain yourself.
What many people won't get is that being Jamaican is really not for the faint of heart. I mean, if you want a more straightforward people, that's Jamaicans. I mean, the real ones. The fake ones are gonna be fake.
I tell her, oh, she looks so tired. She look like dry up curtain. And then, when me, oh, God, she smell like dishwashing liquid.
I hope you can understand what's going on. This lady is very, very, like the daughter says, she's disrespectful. But the way she says it is just classic. Classic. I would be so upset if I was not Jamaican. Believe me, I would be upset.